Now I have bent forward every piece, doing this section in the middle twice to create the up curve, right? Next, I'm going to pinch this area, and creating this like a corset in the front, but pinching it will make this area and this area pop out just a little bit more, okay? So this is what we have so far. It's very simple, very easy. And I did not poke myself once. I'm getting used to doing this. Now, if this is the first time for you watching my videos, I would suggest you try something a little smaller, a little simpler. And this is the Easter basket for Miss Everly, made with Dollar Tree items. The smaller Easter baskets are a little tougher than these bigger waste paper baskets, and it's a little bit more easier to bend and not break. When you graduate to these bigger baskets, these will tend to break. So look for that video if you're first starting, and please wear gloves. If you're used to it by now, you're ready to go. Let's continue with the slideshow. Another break in the slideshow. Now I'm customizing this, like I said earlier, and this lady that is so sweet, I am going to add a little bling. So I'm going to cover up this area of the stand with Dollar Tree mesh ribbon. Alright, just so that you know, this is what I'm going to do, because after everything's said and done, you might not be able to see this. But I'm going to try to cover up the middle part with this bling. Let's continue the slideshow. Hello there. Now, I just glued on with hot glue the rhinestone mesh. Now, this is the tip to the hot glue, okay? Hot glue can reheat. When it reheats, it melts and then it bonds again. This is a good idea to do when you see like little gobs of glue that's sticking out. Turn on your heat gun and melt it away. The heat gun not only reheats that glue, but then it takes it off the rhinestones and sets it deeper in between the rhinestones so that the rhinestones can shine. You understand? That's my little tip when I apply rhinestones with hot glue. I reheat it again, let it set, and it strengthens its bond. Let's continue with the slideshow. cut the foam in half, add hot glue, and press up against the rhinestone mesh on the towel holder. Hold it while the glue dries. Now if you have a hot glue gun with a low temp, use low temp. That way the hot glue does not melt the foam. Once you feel it securely on, we can add the flowers to it. Let's continue with the slideshow. Okay, this is the new idea. I'm going to use one of these planner hanging brackets for an arm. Right now I'm trying to decorate it as much as I can before I attach it to the side. Miss Rosy Hips is coming along. Hopefully it'll look like she has her hands on her hips. I think I will attach it with wire, of course. This is a little bit heavier than the basket. And then there'll be two. So this is my plan for Miss Rosy Hips. Thanks for watching. Continue with the slideshow and please subscribe if you like my ideas. I'd love to have you as a fan and a member. Thanks. Bless.